Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I have my summer 2018 luxury shoe unboxing, and I got two pairs from Christian Louboutin, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. One pair is probably something that is more of like a basic pair of shoes because I kind of wanted something that I can wear with casual outfits, and the other is definitely a splurge and something that I have been saving for quite some time. So I'll definitely talk a little bit more about that as well, just because I also got these fixed, and I'll explain that in a second. So let me go ahead and show you the first pair. And this is actually a new style for me. Actually, both of them are. So I did quite a bit of research on this one because they're very, very popular. They come in tons and tons of colors and prints. Let me go ahead and show you the box. And here I have the duffel bags. And then here are my new, let's see if I can just take them out. I think that's better. I believe they're pronounced Irisa. These are my 100 millimeters in the color nude. So some people call it Irisa. I've heard Irisa, but for the most part I've heard Irisa. And these are my new pair, and I absolutely love these. These currently retail for $675, and I really wanted this nude because I didn't want to go for the classic black now that we are getting into summer. Just wanted something that I can wear with just a regular t-shirt and some jeans, and definitely with summer dresses. So I felt like the nude was better than the black. A lot of people say that they are comfortable, some say that they are not. I personally feel it all depends on your feet, what you can bear. Some of the styles from Christian Louboutin can be very uncomfortable. For example, I don't think I would ever own a pair of Silky. I just can't deal with the pain. And I am very, very comfortable with the 100 millimeters. I am about 5'7", so I'm quite tall. I mean, I'm not really tall, but I'm not short either. But I don't want to look like I'm 6 feet. So the 100 tends to work well for me. So definitely let me know if you guys have these. If you have these in white, I was just kind of curious about it. I was debating between like the white or the nude. But I think that the nude was kind of a safe bet, but definitely let me know. And my size for Christian Louboutin shoes is 39, so I definitely had to go a half a size up. I'm an 8.5 in the US, but absolutely love these. All right, now my second pair of shoes are a pair that I saw probably in late winter of 2017, and I was absolutely in love, and I said, oh my god, I need to get them, but they are a little bit expensive. So when I finally saved up the money, I went to the store, and this was the last pair, and I got these at Nordstrom's. Now the nude pair, I just want to bring them up again. I got these at Neiman's, but you can definitely find these at the Christian Louboutin website, which I will make sure to link for you. But these pair were the last ones, and they were a little bit discolored, which I'll talk about in a second. But Nordstrom's was very nice enough to send my pair of shoes to a shoe doctor, like they like to call it, and get it fixed. So I went ahead and did two things with these pair of shoes. But let me go ahead and just show you, stop yapping about it. And here I have, so excited. These are probably going to be like my all-time favorite shoes because they are stunning. Alright, there I have it. And here I have so much paper. Yay, my new Key Pumped 100 millimeter in the multi-blue suede. All I have to say is like, oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love. I don't think I've seen prettier shoes from Christian Louboutin than these pairs, because I just have to say, like, the detail, let me just take out the tissue paper. The detail on this shoe is just exquisite. I just absolutely love these. I know that they also come in black with the crystals, I think, are all silver. But I have to tell you that this color combination just completely blew me away. I was in love. I was just like, oh my god, I need to get these. So let me give you the pricing. The pricing for these are $1,195 US. Definitely on the higher end. As mentioned, this was a little discolored on the back, the blue suede. So Nordstrom's was nice enough to just have them, you know, mail them to the shoe doctor, and I went there and I got them, I picked them up and they paid for it. Now what I also did was I got the bottoms fixed because I just don't want these shoes to get damaged. So I am trying to keep them you know, to look as neat as possible. But definitely these are a pair of shoes that I don't think I will ever get rid of because they're just gorgeous. This is another style that is also new for my collection, and they were very comfortable when I tried them at the store, and I kind of just walked around for a while. That's kind of like the thing that I do, especially when I'm going to go and purchase Christian Louboutin shoes, just because some of the other styles are very uncomfortable. So this is something that I definitely took my time with, and I wanted to make sure that I can definitely wear this with everything in my wardrobe. So definitely going to be rocking these pair of shoes this summer. Now my size for this pair is also 39. That's pretty much my size when it comes to Christian Louboutin shoes. So definitely love these. I just cannot wait. They make your outfit look amazing. You can wear like the cheapest $10 dress from H&M and wear these and you're all set. So that's why I love these shoes. Definitely like my statement unicorn luxury shoes for sure. So I am very, very excited. So with that said, being that I spent quite a bit of money on 2 pairs of shoes, I'm done for the summer. So I do not anticipate purchasing any more. But definitely let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Let me know if you have them. Please feel free to share pics with me. This is something that I kind of want to start doing with all of you gals, if you don't mind, of course, is email me your pics, because I think I'm going to spice up my blog with all of these amazing pictures of all of these shoe and handbag lovers that we all are. So let me know in the comments below, comfort level, how long you can wear these, or if you know somebody who's had any of these styles. You know, I'm just kind of curious, you know, about these pair of shoes, because I want to make sure that all of the crystals stay intact. You know, I would be devastated if any of this stuff comes off. So these are probably going to be ones that I'll baby, but I think for good reason. Absolutely love them. Super, super excited to wear these pairs of shoes. All right, guys. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.